You will get noticed in this one. This 72 Chevelle Pro Touring, bright yellow, has got a built 402, 408 stroker LS motor under the hood, air conditioned, 5-speed. This thing is killer. Just finished the body off restoration. I don't think there's 100 miles on it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find a price tag on this and 200 other collector cars, all for sale. And each one will have a monthly payment as well. But for right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so it's got the SS hood, all straight, all square. Fits nice, looks good, straight, all nice clean fenders, all nice clean, all the way to the bottom, smooth and clean. The roof is all straight, smooth. All this is looking great. Really, the body's looking really good. Shuts real nice, all nice, clean metal, all looking dynamite. Real nice. You know, here's a little chip that had to be touched up. But all this is like yellow glass. The SS stripes are painted on correctly, and they're smooth to the touch. All nice, clean, no rust, no damage, all straight, nice. Yeah, it's looking really good. Looking really sharp. The body is excellent in my opinion. The paint is smooth and glossy. Nice bright yellow with the black stripes. It's slick. It's sitting on some Boyd Coddington wheels, 18s and 20s in the back. Extra wide too. Those are some wide tires, wrapped in performance tires. You got the racing pins. This here looks to be a nice original. The bumpers, they actually reused the originals. They're like a 7 or 8 out of 10. They're smooth and shiny. Same thing with all the chrome and trim up there. The grill's probably new. Headlight bezels are real nice original. The paint is chipped down here behind the bumper. The windshield is new, crystal clear. The rest of the glass is smoked glass. It's not tinted, it's actually smoked. There are some water spots on the surface of the glass. Door handles are new, rain gutter looks new, the rubber seals and weather strips look new, the moldings look new. Reuse the original back bumper as well. It's shiny and straight. It's got a little freckling on it. Otherwise, I'd call it new. Emblem is new. So it's got a great stance. Let's open it up. We'll see what it's like inside. All right, let's see what we got inside. Bright glossy yellow trunk lid and the jamb. Inside, just nice clean metal, simple. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. You can text the word new to 844-592-2431 and you'll be texted when new arrivals hit our website. So the jambs are painted up nice, weather strips and sill plates are replaced. Door panels, armrests, those are new. This whole dash was $1,700 or $1,800. It comes with some nice Dakota digital gauges. So the whole instrument panel is all new and shiny and nice. Let's see if I can get them to light up. Yeah, isn't that nice looking? Then it has the vintage air electric controls, no hard cables to try and pull, retro stereo in the factory spot. New dash pad, new vents, kick panels, carpet, all real nice. It does have fuel injection, Terminator X, so this is the screen that goes with that. SST shifter, that's the whole transmission package we'll talk more about. The whole center console is new. The cushions in the seats, well, there's one little poke, somebody poked it. Right there was something, but this is all new and recushioned. The trim, the chrome, the back, all that new. And then in back, the seat, the side panels, armrests, all that was replaced. The rear shelf was replaced. Headliner was replaced. There's a few little wrinkles in it. Dome light works. All looking really nice inside here. SS steering wheel is new, and that is on a tilt column. Now, if I mentioned the binder of documentation that will go with the car. Like under the hood's my favorite part of this car. That is an LS motor with a stroker kit. It does have the Terminator X fuel injection system on top. That's from Holley. It's got the Holley front drive system as well. All the pulleys and serpentine belt and compressor and modern alternator. It's one whole package. Stainless steel headers. Yeah, it's all nice stuff. Smooth firewall, painted fender wells, Optima battery, big aluminum radiator. Notice the shrink clamps on the hoses. Those are nice. 2 big electric fans to keep it cool. Custom TIG welded stainless steel air intake. Yeah, it says Holley right on the power steering pump. This whole front runner system is one package. Steering's new. It's a bare brake system, hydraulic clutch. All real nice. Painted up nice, looks cool. Well, Michael's going to show you how this thing runs. So we'll see you back in a few minutes. This one might be quicker because this one's fast.
Everybody, we got a real nice car here. Totally resto mod 1972 Chevelle with the 408 stroker LS. This thing is not playing around. Got the Holley Terminator X Max fuel injection system on it, 12 bolt rear end, everything's done. This is a fresh resto from 2023. So really nice car, complete, ready to rock. Lots of fun. You guys are gonna see here with this 408 stroker just in a minute. It's got the bare big disc brake kit on it all the way around. It's got the Bilstein shocks. I mean, this thing is done right. Beautiful, beautiful car. Let's see here. You got the vintage air, you got the digital radio. Turn signals light up. It's got the Dakota digital gauges here. Got a lot of traffic today, so we're just gonna give it a minute. Let's see. All right, let's see what she's got. The idea. She is a beast. A little cold today, so I went easy on her, but yeah, plenty of power out of that 408 stroker LS with the fuel injection system. This thing is just a ton of fun. Awesome, beautiful car. Listen to this thing. Don't get no better than that, man. The semi-truck slowing us down a little bit, but hey. Yeah, everything seems to be tidy and together on this car. I'm really liking the style, but most importantly, man, you got this beast of a motor here. us out on volocars.com. Click the buy it now button if this is your cup of tea.
So this has been a body off frame restoration. There's a picture on our website of the body off. Underneath is really slick like the engine compartment. Frames all painted real nicely. All custom UMI sport suspension, tubular control arms, all the steering, all the components, the drop spindles, all of that is new. It is lowered, obviously. In back, tubular control arms, has a sway bar, Bilstein shocks all the way around. Has a TIG welded stainless steel custom made exhaust with some polished stainless mufflers. It's pretty wicked loud, so if that's not to your taste, it's just a matter of changing the mufflers, not the whole exhaust system. Upgraded with the Bear brake system. Nice looking calipers, drilled and slotted rotors at all four wheels. All new e-brake system, all stainless steel fuel and brake lines, new fuel tank with the built-in fuel pump for the fuel injection. It's all compatible. You look up at the motor, it's all real nice and clean. It's aluminum, high torque starter. It's an SST complete transmission package. Comes with the center force clutch, the shift linkage, the new 5-speed transmission. It's a Doug Nash 5-speed, hydraulic clutch, all that's part of the package. Custom aluminum drive shaft, goes back to a 12-bolt rear end, and everything's fresh. There's less than 100 miles on this car. It's ready to rock and roll. Go to volocars.com if you need a little excitement in your life. Talk to the salesman. They'll help get this delivered to your door, and they'll help you with the financing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.